Hello my dear students, I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Today in this video you will learn about computer language. We all know language is a medium to share, to communicate our views, our thoughts with another one. So when we are using a computer or any digital gadgets, we need to learn how they used to convert our command, our instruction into their own language. So for better understanding, stay connected and please watch video carefully because whatever the work I have given you, you have to complete that in your notebook and those questions are belonging to this video. So all the best and keep watching it.
Computer languages. We are now well aware of the various computer application which makes it one of the most versatile device ever developed by the man. It is the power of these applications which help the user to perform various jobs very quickly and easily. But these applications are developed by whom? Who make them? What are the uses of these applications? How does computer understand our instruction which we give simply by clicking the mouse button? To answer all of these questions and many more questions, we need to understand the concept of computer language, which are used for making all these applications. So, in this video, you will learn computer language, which are used for making all these applications. Computer. Computer is an electronic data processing device which uses electricity to represent and process the user's data. It works according to the user's instruction, but computer does not understand our own languages. It has its own language to work with. To do any work on the computer, we need to pass on our instructions in its own language only. But this language is very different to understand and to work with. So, to give our instruction, we use some easy to use computer language for interacting our computer, which are translated into the computer understandable form. What are computer languages? Languages means a medium used for communication. So, the language which help the user to communicate with computer is a computer language. Different computer languages have their own set of commands which are used for instructing the computer system. A set of instruction which tells the computer to what to do is called a program. The users who have the knowledge of program or computer language used to write programs for the computer. Such users are called programmers. Each computer language has its own set of rules which are followed by the programmers to write computer programs, and these set of rules are called syntax rules. To communicate with computers, we need some language. These are computer languages. There are mainly 3 different languages with the help of which we can develop computer program, and they are machine level language, assembly language or assembly level language, and high level language. Machine level language or machine language. Computer can understand only the language of digital electronics. Digital electronics deals with presence and absence of voltage, means electricity. Within the computer, there are 2 logics can play their role. These logics are: first, positive logic. Here, presence of voltage will be denoted by 1 and absence of voltage will be denoted by 0. Second is negative logic. Here, presence of voltage will be denoted by 0 and absence of voltage will be denoted by 1. But obviously, computer can follow any one of the logics at a time, not both the logics simultaneously. To make the computer understand, a program can be written using only zeros and one. The data can also be specified and represented using only zeros and ones. Such a program is called machine language program. Machine language was the first in the evolution of computer programming language. Computer directly understand a program written in the machine language. So, as a result, machine language program does not require any translator to convert from one form to another. In fact, even to this day, basically computer understand only the zeros and ones. Second is binary language. After machine level language, the next level of development in the evolution of computer languages was the assembly language. Machine level language uses only the binary language, but on the other hand, assembly language uses mnemonics or symbolic instruction in place of sequence of zeros and ones. As example, we can consider that to add register A, B in a particular computer, assembly language uses the mnemonic ADD B. In place of ADDB, it will be 10001111. In assembly language, we use symbolic name to denote addresses and data. A number of such examples are dealt with in the successive chapters. Thus, writing a program in assembly language has advantages over writing the same in a machine language. Next is high level language. High level language is the next development in the evolution of computer languages. Examples of some high level languages are given below. Prolog, it spells Prolog. LOG for programming and logic. Next, Fortran. It is spells FORTRAN for formula and translation. Next, Lisp. It is spells LISP for list processing. Next one is Pascal, named after the French scientist Blaise Pascal. High-level languages are like English like language, with less words, also known as keywords, and fewer ambiguities. Each high-level language will have its own syntax and keywords. The meaning of the word syntax is a grammar. Now, we shall discuss about the advantage of high-level language. High-level language programs are easy to get developed, while coding, if we do some error, then we can easily locate those errors, and if we miss, then during completion those errors would be detected by the compiler, and the programmer will initiate respective corrections to do the needful accordingly. By a glance through the program, it is easy to visualize the functioning of the program. The programmer may not remain aware about the architect of the hardware, so people with our hardware knowledge can also do high-level language programming. The same high-level language program works on any other computer provided the respective compiler is available for the target new architecture. So, high-level language are portable. Productivity against high-level language programming is enormously increased. Now, this is the short picture which will recap you what you have studied till now. Now, the computer language is divided into three parts. First is a machine language. This contains two digits known as the binary digits, that is 0 and 1. Next is assembly language. It is denoted with the A, B, A, D, D and so on. Next is high level language, which contained language like C, C#, Java and so on.